Hey there and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being here. If you're new, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and if you're a returning subscriber, hit that little bell down below for notifications on when I put up new videos. I upload twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week, depending on how I feel vlog-wise. Anyways, the title of this video is all about spring cleaning, and even though we're having some pretty horrible weather out right now as I'm filming this, it has actually been pretty nice and spring-like in Toronto, and it has gotten me in the mood to just declutter, get rid of stuff. I want to transfer out a lot of the stuff that was more like winter-ish and bring in like plants, just green things and things that just to me screams spring. And so I've teamed up with the folks at Bunz for today's video to tell you all about how you can trade sustainably and also in a way that's a little bit more financially easier on us, because buying new things, especially since I am very much like a seasonal person, it's just so much easier on your pocket, and obviously I am all about saving some dollars. Bunz is a little app that you can download directly on your phone free of charge and start trading in your area. Take anything that you no longer like, a gently used treasure, put it on Bunz and start the trading process. It is all locally driven. Find other people in the community who are getting rid of their old treasures and switch it out for your own. I have done this with furniture, with clothing, heck, I've even like made friends this way, and it's just a good way, sustainable way, a lot more financially responsible way to start sprucing up your space and also start getting rid of things. Just think about how many things that we give away on a daily basis or even like a monthly basis that we no longer love, but maybe somebody else can enjoy and use like new. You guys can find the link to Bunz in the description below. I'll have all the information for you. But if you download Bunz and you find that there is no trading going on in your area, I want to suggest that you guys start trading in your area. Get people excited, put your items online, share it on Facebook, let your friends and your family know that you're trading your old treasures for new treasures, and it is such an incredibly rewarding process and a fun process. Anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna get into the nitty-gritty of this video, so grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get started. Let's do this. The halfway point. This is stressful, but I'm gonna at least get that chest dealt with today. I've already started putting off some pieces that I'm going to be putting in a giant bag of things that I want to give away on Bunz. Not quite sure yet what I want to bring in, but I'm super excited to see what my options are. So it is the next day. I decided to kind of separate this out into 2 days. Kind of glad that I did because it is beautiful and sunny outside, but I had a little bit of an issue happen a couple of minutes ago. My closet broke out again. But with that being said, as I've mentioned, I am trying to spring clean. My closet is something that I wanted to deal with. I didn't want to deal with it today because I actually do have a friend, like, she'll probably be showing up in like an hour. So I'm gonna just literally do a very quick what's going down to my storage locker, what's going to be given away, but that's what's gonna happen. Yay. I mean, honestly, if this is not a reminder to be doing things when I feel like I should be doing them, it is a reminder now. And I am gonna give away a lot of clothes that I just don't really need anymore. So okay, you guys, it is a day later. I have completely sectioned off the stuff that I want to start giving away on Buns. I've made a pretty good stride. I'm really happy and confident in the stuff that I've put off to the side. I am going to be slowly bringing new stuff in, but for now, this is the spring cleaning I'm gonna do. I really hope you enjoyed the process and come along as I get rid of things and trade things. But again, I want to thank Buns for sponsoring this video. It has been my pleasure, truly. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you think of me doing like spring cleaning videos, because I would definitely love to do more in the future. I'll see you guys next time. So don't forget, you can find new videos from me every Wednesday and every Sunday, and new blog posts every Tuesday and every Thursday, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up